are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicwave.com. Just making a small video about this weekly recap. Week is not ended yet, but just want to make a video for the YouTube. It's about the yen index. Just want to show that what yen index, individual index, can do to your trading if you learn and understand how to read those indexes. This is a daily index chart, before chart, and this is what I make and send out to my subscribers to take the trades. Now the beauty about this individual indexes, is that let's say if all the currencies are stationary, they're not moving, they're not getting weaker or stronger, they're just normal, and yen index starts getting weaker, means yen currency start getting weaker across the board against all the currencies. So what happens is that yen, since it's on the right hand side, then all the yen pairs going to go up. So you have literally six trade opportunities to choose from. Which one is the best? Choose the strongest currency against the yen, because yen is getting weaker, so you need the stronger to push it to the high, to the highs. So this is the idea. So this is how why it is very important to watch the index to me, because just by watching one index and getting it right, I get so many trades available to me. Okay, if you get this index right, and then the other, let's say pound, you know where the pound is going, and then you have several pairs involving pound. For example, pound is getting strong and yen is getting weaker. So imagine what will happen to pound yen. So let me show it to you. See this is the index. That's what it did. So it came down here. I said, look at this, that it will come down to this white line, which is 59.78, and then it will bounce. First target will be this white line, the second will be this white line, right? So what happened is it went all the way finally to touch the second white line today. In fact, yes, well, yeah, today 18th, right? So 60.58. So now from here, I sent out this before chart, and told my subscriber to start looking for long in yen pairs. So I don't know how they did it and who did what, but I'm just gonna show you a few entries that were available. For example, I just told you that what will happen to pound yen. So starting that chart was from 15, right? The first chart, and then look at that. Yen started getting weaker, and then pound yen started taking off because pound was getting strong. So now the first entry was here, second entry was here, and all the way, it's almost like from 175.20 something to 177.70, 177.50, 60 maybe, somewhere there, right? So it's a lot of pippage, and two entries, more than whatever started in front of you. So these are the entries. This is my magic wave strategy. You all know that, and it has specific rules, regulations to follow. And once you do it, it's pretty safe. It's with the analysis, the higher time frame analysis. Of course, I also look at the pound yen, and I make the chart, and I send out to my subscriber as well. They're not shown here. Just want to show a few entries like this one. Look at this euro yen. You had this entry on 17th, and this is on 18th. Okay, and you can't go wrong with this. It's just very, very simple, because yen is strongly getting weak. So these pairs will go up. Now this one, look at this one. CAD yen took off, gone with the wind. And this is the entry on the 16th. Okay, remember the yen chart that I sent out was 15, so it just start taking, just dip a little bit here and then start going up. So the 15, it came down touch, and the 16 it started getting weaker again, and sending all these pairs to the higher side. CAD yen is this. Yeah, so euro yen, you have, I actually have Aussie yen too. Let me show you. But you see Aussie yen here. I still need to make the chart and save it. I didn't save it. Let me do it right now. So this is how it works. Indexes, very important to watch. Oops. and it is the entry on the 16th. Okay, so I'm going to save it here on my that folder there. Where did that folder go? New folder, and these are the one. Aussie yen is here, so why it's not showing up? Okay, forget it. Anyway, you saw it. So this is how it is with the index now, pound index, and they're all moving in their own direction, and just have to see which one is doing what, and then you start taking those pairs in those direction, and that's it. Simple and easy. Oh, it is here. Okay. Yeah, then okay, it's here. I don't know, I'm confused. So all together, is look at this pound Aussie. You have two entries here, more than 100 pips, easy. This was on 15. It has nothing to do with this yen, but remember when yen get weaker, usually Aussie get a little stronger. So that's why the Aussie is on the right hand side. The pound Aussie went down a little bit, then it goes up again. So it's messing around actually. So anyway, this is it, and that's all I wanted to show. Aussie yen index, like I said, it's at the resistance now, so it may turn, may not. So I'm gonna look into deep and then make the before chart and send out to my subscribers. And if you want to get these before charts and learn about how to read the index and then be a master of this kind of trading, Magic Wave strategy is very, very useful, because if you look at this, okay, this is the entries. So now, if, for example, let me go on the live this chart here. Okay, this is the entry. Okay, fine. So this is the entry is what, 96, 72, 73. Okay, 92, 72, 73, because you have to count the spread. And what is the stop loss behind the wave? What is this? Exactly, this is where 60 is. Okay, 60, and then you go and you make an entry at 75, 15 pip, including the spread. This is how good this strategy is, because even if you get it wrong, and if, let's say, it goes up and hit this line and then drop and then take you out, then what do you lose? 15 pip. Okay, that's fine. Then you wait for a nice setup. This was again a very good setup. Not 100% good setup, but it was a good setup, I know. And then you take that. For example, if you take this entry, 84, 85, 96, 85, then you go all the way up to 97.50, right? So 50, 65 pips. So now you lost here, let's say, for example, 15 pip, then you make 65 pips, and you're still I had 50 pips, right? That's what happened. And some of those pairs, they go really, like this one. If you go wrong here, let's say if you lose 20 here and then you take this one or this one, altogether what happened from here again, was 39.15, let's say. Well, 39. So from 39 it went to 40 straight up, 100 pip. So you lose, if you lose 15 here, then you catch up 100 out of 100. Even take out 15, 85, 75, 65, 55, whatever. That's how powerful. Even from here, it's like, see, 39.60 this entry, 39.62. That's 40 pips. If you lose this entry here, it's still. But the thing is that in this case, you got this one and this one. So imagine how much you got. So when you're right, you make a lot. When you're wrong, you only lose 15 pip, 20 pip at the top. This is how good this strategy is. And you are wrong very, very few times, because you just do not, blindly take it. When I send my charts, before charts, with analysis, higher time frame analysis, I usually show a turning point and tell you that, this thing is hitting the support and it's going to bounce. and as soon as the bouncer starts, look for long, right? So that's how, that's how the price starts and going up on a, let's say, 4-hour chart or daily chart, and then you start taking 15-minute or 5-minute entries from small charts, 5-minute or 15-minute charts. Okay, so this is how it is. If you want to learn, just go on my website and subscribe, and you're gonna like it. Okay, this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.